Okay, so we are. I don't know what you did.
If I was something I did stay for real, you'd have married to me. Still married to me.
Yes.
Can't say I youth, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, feel so.
Oh God. All right, guys. What did I say? Okay, so what did I say we talk about again? I forgot. Okay, so someone told me, because I'm not used to this, and they were encouraged me to remind you guys to what did they say again?
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, to hit the notification bell so you will always know when we upload. Obi and I is going to do video every Sunday.
No.
We're going to do video every Sunday, and it may be going to be a discussion from one thing to the next. So because they're going to be long, we are going to, because the video is going to be long, we're going to cut them. Yes, that's fine. Yes, we're going to cut them so you're going to be able to see it in more than one video. So we want to start upload on Sunday by anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock, Wednesday anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock, and Friday anywhere between 3 to 4 o'clock. We want to upload on those 3 days.
But if you don't hit the notification bell, you don't need all of that info. You just like I know.
You'll always know when we upload.
Be notified and subscribe to, yeah? Who subscribe,
Yes. And
comment.
And share.
I mean, notice when I watch a video, but when I comment. And if I comment, yeah? Hey. My wife make breakfast for me every Sunday morning, you know. She bribe me if I come do a video. Before this video thing, I sometimes I feel war. I can help myself. But no. So, I do this for the food. The food.
That's not true, guys. On a Sunday morning, I make breakfast.
Yeah, she make breakfast, but sometimes when me ready for my breakfast, she not ready yet.
No, yeah, me not ready yet. But me make breakfast on a Sunday.
Because and sometimes me have to just get up and go make my breakfast and say, it's alright, me deal with my thing already. But,
no.
But no. Me enjoy it while it lasts.
Babes, because at them time here we are eat breakfast, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you know, me tired. So, them time here, me we get up and make the breakfast. But if you want me to get up 8 o'clock on a Sunday morning to make your breakfast, it's not going to happen.
No, that's too early.
Right, too early for me. Sometimes you get up, especially if you don't go out last night. If you don't go out last night, then you're not tired. So you get up 8 o'clock and want breakfast, them time them not ready to get up out of bed. Okay? So lay down in the bed with me.
And there's something else me want. You know what you're talking about?
Lay down in the bed till 1 o'clock. And lay down in the bed with me till 1 o'clock.
What, man, tell you?
And you will get your breakfast.
I'm enjoying it. Because when I get my... Don't get me wrong, you know. She make my breakfast, I make nice breakfast and the whole 9 but since this video, I get some nicer breakfast and
you always get nice breakfast, babe. Stop telling people them food.
Yeah, man,
I always give a nice breakfast.
I tell him say, I do this for the food.
Oh my God. Real foodie, you know.
I do this for the food.
A real foodie this, yeah. You thinking great out? And a great out.
I'm foodie, but home food though. I just in my house, me eat food.
In my house. I don't really buy food like that.
The stove over there, so. Light, it have a blaze up.
Yeah. Him love him food. I don't really like food. I don't really buy food like that a road.
Yeah.
Once in a blue moon. So.
I cook my food too.
I'm a chef too.
Yeah.
I'm in the mood. I cook.
If you love food.
Yeah, if you can cook.
If you can cook.
Yes.
Because if you love food and you can't cook, you eat anything. Any food, what you get.
For real.
Yeah, so. Let's start with breakfast.
What for breakfast, guys? ackee and saltfish with plantain, fried green plantain, avocado. Sunday morning breakfast. And Jamaican chocolate tea. Does that scratch me? Did I eat more pear?
One slice meat.
I'm just here. Oh, you see.
If you don't sell some food nice, it's a long time now.
Long time.
Why you don't want for a long time?
Some of them I eat up some of them food there.
Long time.
But then age just run past me. So if me been a long time, but I did already. So me alright.
You don't want to say eat no food. And the old time food nicer than now.
Mm-hmm.
So you like it only eat more nicer food.
For real. Oh, piece of bread.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
There's 7 plants in the barn.
So, 7 plantain?
Mm.
And what?
So you never fried all of them?
You don't want too much plantain. Happy?
I take all of the actually.
What?
Actually take all of it, I can give a little bit.
You see, look
So I
at
have some.
you know, see, look at the ackee. I'm not eating ackee belly with the plantain. You know, see, look at a bit of ackee what me get. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Let me see.
You know, you still craving.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. All right. Let's have a craving then. Play the role. I'll be a game right now. Yeah, I'll be a...
Yeah, I know. Better eat good.
Must eat good. When you buy it.
But I remind me when my dad make I eat bread.
Must eat good. When you buy
I'm
it.
not talk about white bread, not wheat bread. Anything at all what you do, the more you do it, the more you become better at it. When you start eating bread, it's never so nice.
I thought when you start eating it, you no longer make them bread. You know, if people don't make them bread, I think when you start, let's start.
I do with my cup, my towel. I'm a towel with me.
Yeah, stop and start. You make up on the cup.
There you go, all along we figure that out in my brain and say, I'm gonna drink the tea when you want to drink the tea. So, it show up on the camera like that. M&D.
Money done. M for money and the D for done.
No. You know? Pasta price.
Yeah, the bush shop.
Yes, pasta price.
Catch it to that line.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pasta price.
What?
Everybody price.
Oh, no good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys? We are back with another video, and okay, so this is my husband and Donna Bless here, and we are going to continue about what we're gonna continue again, babe?
We're going to continue. Continue where we start.
Okay, so we've been talking about what happened to us as a child, and we're gonna start
talk
from
about,
there.
I bring back the memories. Childhood days.
Yes, we're talking about our childhood days, and gonna continue until we talk about whatever we want to talk about.
I'm talking about it now. Back then it was now it's a joke and fun for just laugh about it. But
Right.
back then it wasn't.
Yeah.
Back then it was, I don't know if I say,
Epic. All right.
epic.
So, I just want to thank all the ladies that been requesting the video. All the ladies were inbox me and cracking me up that they love my husband and they love how he communicates. I just want to say thank you all. You all know yourself. So bless upon yourself, and we appreciate the love and the support, and thank you for watching.
So ladies are waiting there.
Inbox me.
About me?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
they love me.
The ladies, them I request you.
So
Them
request me for the what?
them I request you to have you on the channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's a channel thing, okay.
Them say, if you put your husband on the channel, you know, cause me not tell her like make me laugh bad, him crack me up. So I'm gonna have him on the channel, guys. So
What do you mean on the channel?
on the videos.
So you know, I mean, in the money part. Pay me.
When the time come for you get paid, you gonna get paid.
I mean, everything.
My God. All right, so today we're gonna talk about what we think was a job for us as a child. Things that we used to do and make money as a child growing up. My story time with me as a child is when me used to sell
Speak up.
in a Christiana market. Me used to go market with me. I used to go market with my auntie. When me about 9, 10 years old, me start go market with my auntie. Before day upon Saturday morning up at Christiana. I remember seeing me Christiana market.
A good market, you know, so come on.
Yeah, you know Christiana market?
You know Christiana.
Yeah.
Sometimes Christiana did hype. Hype town, you know.
Yeah, Christiana was very nice. I mean, my auntie used to go sell whatever we could have find, because you know where we grew up, we have everything like food-wise. We plant a lot of food, whether potato, yam, banana, breadfruit, orange is stone dog. So we used to have that a lot. So me and my auntie used to go and market them time with my little penny, and it's nice to have my little money in my pocket and thing, you know. But that is what we used to do. We used to happy for go and market with her on a Saturday morning, go sell orange. But it was tough, you know, to get up out of your bed so early as a child.
What time?
Like before the 2 a.m. You reach a Christiana market in the 4 o'clock bells. And
so long it take you for that market?
No, but because we have to get up and pad donkey and go down in the hill. And not far.
Sorry, donkey, you walk with the donkey?
Yeah.
You ride the donkey? You walk?
No, because through the donkey have a load.
You can't ride him?
No, we can't ride him for go down. So we have to get up in the early morning.
You walk?
And
with the donkey?
Yeah. We walk with the donkey. I will walk miles upon miles.
Find a way to carry me on the load.
For go a Green River or go for go Frankfield. It depends on which part we are gonna go. But sometimes and if sometimes we are late, and if the bus left way, and then because the bus have to stop so much time to pick up everybody.
What you say walk? I said bus.
No walk go Christiana market, not walk go Christiana market, walk go Green River.
With the donkey?
Yes, we walk go Green River.
Which left the donkey at Green River?
No, like my uncle would have come with me, some of my uncle would have come with me.
And bring back the donkey then?
And then bring back the donkey them, yeah. And some they carry load power with head and them, something they go Green River. We catch the bus at Green River, which is miles upon miles, we have to walk. So we have to get up from 2 o'clock and go out there. The bus coming at the 4 o'clock bells, you know? And we sit down out there ready for go to Christiana markets, we go sell. And also, I remember when we grew up now in me, you know, about 12, 13, me a pad donkey and I ride. I go a Brownstone with mango and a Carlo. When a mango season, me that Brownstone. Me alone now, sometimes, you know, at 11 to 15 years old, between 11 sometimes. Me and Derek them go, me and Dennis go. Depends on, sometimes me alone go. Because after me get used to the road, you know. When they pan donkey, I go a Brownstone, I ride the donkey with me 2 amper mango.
In a Brownstone?
In a Brownstone.
So the donkey reach a Brownstone?
Walk.
From Carolina?
Yes.
To Brownstone?
To Brownstone.
So that not far enough to Christiana?
No. Brownstone is closer to we. Because we take shortcut. There was short road where we used to take. Brownstone was closer to us. But it take me the whole day to and come back. We walk and we sell mango along the way. Mango. Yo!
So that means all the time the way that Brownstone and sell mango, all there a center no far that come from.
I know.
And more time I go to Brownstone.
I know. I used to tell Brownstone.
I think me see a Brownstone one time. You know. I said, what kind of girl with a load on her head?
Lie, I tell.
I think we see her one time, man.
Oh,
I said, what a nice girl.
yeah, right.
Big basket for her head.
We used to, when I go Brownstone, we used to go either Park Hall or go up James Hill. It depends on which part we are going to go sell mango. But we used to go also. It was a hustle.
So the money they were you sell, when you sell back then, full of money them.
No, sir. I have to bring back money in the house to mama and buy food and then so they never have money like that for yourself. It was never feel it like that. You know?
So all them know much money you make. You couldn't take something out of it for yourself.
We're honest.
Honest. Yeah.
But after me get big and me start do it, I used to do it for myself, but that when me get older. And then me start do it for myself. Bye, Chevy. But yeah, but that's my story time of what we think was a job growing up as a child.
Source of income.
Yeah. What about your story time? What you used to do as a hustler in your child?
I said enough like a thing, you know. So I remember one time you'd have this man who live like couple. He live in the same area, but he have a shop, famous shop and thing where hanging out go on and things. So I'm on the keep 2 parties a year time. We have a son and a daughter and keep them birthday party every year.
Think I got talk about the cleaner.
Yeah man, it's the best day for last.
Okay.
We have a son and a daughter and keep party every year. Yeah, 2 parties. One September and one November. So we used to look out for them party that year time.
So it's like it was a birthday party or just a
year birthday we don't remember which one first,
right.
But a September and November every year. We couldn't wait for them time of year to come. Right. Party there. So coming up to them time there, at them time we were out and about and hustling, you know, for party, you know. Hustle, chop out, open land, you know, hustling for
get money.
They get money for party. Remember one time we chop out one chair. 4 hours was bridging, you know, coming up, you know.
And then you're old. Now you're teens?
No, we were rich teens yet.
Oh yeah, look up at me.
Maybe about yeah man, teens, early teens, maybe 13. 14.
Oh, okay.
Not even 14, because I'm not 14. I don't think we reach 14 yet. But early teens, 12, 13, so. Yeah. Remember, we doing hustling, the biggest money me ever hustle. One time, we chop out one piece of open land. And the man said, we're going to get paid. The day of the party, we don't get paid yet, you know. 1 week past, we don't get paid yet, you know. Be a stress, you know, man. We don't have money for party. And the same day of the party, the man just carry the $40 come. $4 $10 bill.
Because them know say you come spend it out at party, you know.
Yeah, but him keep the party.
Oh.
Him get the contract for you and get the money from him boss.
But them time they $10 enough money.
What? Them in a junk at the party, man, I still have money change left out of $10. Yeah. Then tell I drug and I drink 2 drug and I'm nice.
All man liquor that, you know?
No. But then back then I never all man liquor. Yeah, so 4 hours we used to par as virgin back then. Me and 3 more, I'm a virgin then. You know. So I don't remember how them get a link here, but me know say it was like a summer holiday. They went for the summer and I don't remember which one of the virgin come up and say, yo, you know, and then somebody tell them about some place up at Half a Tree or somewhere uptown, I knew Half a Tree, where a paper company there, a newspaper company there. So we can sell newspaper and make money. We get them can pick with them pay with any you want it. If you want to pay every day, or you want your money stay for the week and collect your money weekly or daily, whatever you want. So I said, well, you know, before I reach up there Monday morning, we get direction and take bus and go half a tree and find the place. You remember, alright, you know where the big pharmacy there across with them, half a tree.
York Pharmacy.
You know, alright. You know what was there before York Pharmacy? You remember? Or you don't know. Well, the place is there right there, sir. On board place, on old building. I don't remember if York Pharmacy was there or that was the building before York Pharmacy, but I saw me right off in the vicinity there.
Okay.
On board old building, like.
Right.
Yeah. But anyway, but we get the link. So we say, yeah, we're going to sell some paper now. You know. So we go there now and, you know, the man give you the load on the details until how it go. You know. So he give you 100 paper to start off with. We get percentage. We get a percentage from what we sell. I don't remember what was the percentage. I don't remember how much it was for one of the paper. I don't remember what was the figures like. Because that's like late 80s. Late 80s. Mid to late 80s. So I don't remember, a long time ago. So everybody get you 100 paper them, you know? 100 paper. Me say me a hustler and them also virgin and all the way a hustler. 4 hours get you 100 paper now, bam, lift up a paper, put it on your and touch the road in a half a tree. They half a tree now, you know, my virgin. There was special virgin where that's a special virgin. One of the virgin them out of the lot, out of 4 hours. Him, that fit him, fainting that the man doesn't go out there, so. Him just a sell, so. I don't know, him just just shout out and but the paper name Sports and Art. It wasn't Star and it wasn't Gleaner. It was the name Sports. Yeah, Sports and Art.
Okay.
So the paper the name. Yeah, so in my virgin, that one day I talk about, you know, I try to itch up on him, you know, because him can't sell it enough, you know.
So I try to get a trade for get a little understanding from him of it.
Yeah, because I don't say oversell. Him out there shout it, you know, so it's like him a shout for me and him.
Right.
So me I live off of him. I say sports and arts, and people are buy paper from him. So we will get 1 and 2 sale. So one time my boy look at me and say, yo, if you find your own way, you know, go on and you can't follow me, you know. If you find your make your go get your client them, you know. I say, alright. I have to know. Sports for ball out, sports and all that, the selling Star and paper and selling the newspaper, it wasn't my thing. For the day I would it me that walk and a ball out this and we did have too much pride on them way there, so we never sell $1. The day me I go to work and not sell nothing. My brother them I go out when my brother them I come off of the road, them I come back with a few paper, me I come back with a big stack of paper same. Big stack of paper same every day me I bring back paper. And my brother them I collect them little money. Every day they collect them little money, them little $5, $6, $7 them way there. I go home with me I just pay bus fare. I pay bus fare for go and I pay bus fare go home back and I make my money. Yeah man, so it did harder for me because I know my lines that if I walk and I get customer and I ball out sports and all the paper on my head. So my thing that. So I don't make no money.
So you spend bus fare if you go half a tree every day if you go sell and you're not.
Nah, I make $1. Tell my mother how we get you
work.
Know, work and
when time come here get paid.
No money, nah, I lose money. I pay bus fare 2 times a day.
So who used to give bus fare?
My mother.
Oh gosh.
My mother give a bus fare. My mother glad for no so I get something for the summer, you know. So another time the boss said to me, say, you can't stop coming up. You can't stop coming up, because it don't make no sense. And if I follow me and just give me a good advice.
Right.
So, you know, you can't stop coming. It kind of make no sense, you know. You just have waste bus fare. Because you're not sell nothing. You're not make no money.
Wow.
You know? You know, day I go out, every day I go out there, I bring back everything same way. Walk up and down in a half a tree with paper on my head. And the time he step me there one place and just stay so with the paper them and I say nothing. One buy. See boy, sell on me. So what may I do? What may I do? Sell on me. My time I buck up and so my time I buck up back from my brethren them and make them rounds, you know. But look. I know they hand them have to look at paper so. So I told them do it, man. Oh. How you do it?
Man.
Yeah, so that was one of the... I think that I'm first, like, the first with a college work.
Yeah.
Because back then, you know, you can't say, I know you work that, you know. Back then they say you get a work.
You have that mentality.
Say your work.
Yeah, say your work. It's the same thing when me used to go Christiana market with my auntie, you know. And to be honest, me not really get no money from it. Because when I sell, I was to my auntie because she'd have responsibility. So whenever I used to really get no money, it's like me just did a help. And if I want like a slippers or something, you know, she will always buy them like a something there for me. But never really like have money or I get money from it or like that. But life is a struggle, and sometimes when I look back on my life and say, you know, this is what make me who me is, because I come from a strong foundation and a rough one, and it just make me firm, you know, and don't take things for granted because abuse, you know, abuse life. It make me wise, very wise. My life was very hard, but it opened up my eyes and make me very wise.
It did hard and rough, but think about it now, have fun.
Yeah, I mean, we can laugh over certain things right now. Yeah, you know? Yeah. Laugh over it.
The life no last, and you know, so it was fun.
Yeah.
We got through enough things to, you know.
We try a lot.
Yeah. I feel the whole heap of hungry.
Yep. Give God thanks.
Trust me. Remember, we never eat nothing yet one whole weekend. One whole weekend, Friday, Saturday.
Not me. That never happened.
Me go through that already. I don't eat nothing Friday whole day. I don't eat nothing Saturday whole day. I mean, a man, I love road, you know. But honestly, I used to work and then I stop work. But 2 hours going in the era now, the place shut down and the war catch me when I not work.
Right.
So it's like me get chopped. I can't go out for go look my work, and you know. So
wow.
Yeah, at the house, everybody leave because where I go on, my brother and my sister them gone, and me alone there I want it. Because if me leave, you know, we not no more house to live in, you know. Me just once me move out or once me leave and gone, and
that's it.
And them know say that house empty.
Yeah. Then take it over.
You can't come back and live in the area, but you can't get back the house there.
Yeah, because them take it over.
Man, I take it over. So me decide to me stay for all the house and I leave.
Right.
So they did now work for nearly a year with the war. Now the war they go on about a year and a half. They did now work. So like at daytime, me's a road man. Me there road a daytime. You know, because at 6 o'clock everybody have to go in their house and lock up and lock in, be a gunshot. You know, so me come so the Friday come now, boom, no food. The Saturday no food.
Wow.
And the Sunday now, me say me nah go a road.
And then
as if me go dead for hungry, me no want to drop down the road. Yeah. Me stay on my yard. A pride still enough.
And them time there, you never have money if you go supermarket. Every time you want a meal, you have to go a shop.
Yeah, man,
go buy big Gilla oil, pound of flour, pound of sugar, pound of rice. You know?
And
so you don't have money if you buy grocery pack up in a house. No. Why when we look from my life now to where me I come from, this is luxury. I'm telling you. Like literally. It blew my mind.
I say I go a road Friday, nothing to eat, nothing. all day Friday night. Saturday the same thing. When Sunday morning, wake up Sunday morning on the way, me hungry. I said, I'm not going to road today, you know. If anything, I just have to stay inside. You know?
Oh my gosh.
You know, I'm going to drop my road.
You couldn't call me?
They tell you that market.
They tell you that Christina market.
And my sister saved me, I'm not lying. She got my sister there. She cook. And she carried in and come give me the Sunday evening. I tell her.
You're still in your early teens sometime then?
Yeah. No man, not early. And I'm late teens sometime. I tell my sister, you know, my sister, up to that day, I don't think she fully understand what she do for me that Sunday there, when she carried it in and come give me.
Wow.
I tell her, so she saved my life, but...
Is your sister the older one, the younger one?
The one with me, fella.
Okay.
Me don't know, she don't know, me tell her, you know, me tell her, but me don't think she...
life.
Me don't think she fully understand what she do. And I'll never forget that. Anything at all I will do for that sister there. Anything at all.
Yeah,
because she make me feel so she make me alive until to the day.
Wow.
And because of pride, you know, me have people out there, people when I could have get dinner from them way there, you know, but me nah go beg, go to nobody and say, get some dinner no.
Beg.
No, me no.
Beg.
I
You prefer dead if you're hungry.
I know my style.
Growing up, we used to say that beg us some dinner day.
Tell you when you open the fridge, you know, from top to bottom, you know.
Guess why that fridge, you never even have light. You look at your fridge.
Guess why that fridge when you open the fridge, from top to bottom.
Water.
One thing never out.
Water.
From top to bottom, a water in your fridge. And guess what in your kitchen now?
Salt.
You never run out.
Salt.
So,
poor people.
Salt. Water and salt. So you know me end up all though, couple of morning them, pack the water and take the salt in it and drink it for my tea.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man.
So you know, after I come out of that situation, the war kind of cease. And you have to push out now and...
So them time they have cell phone?
No.
That's another thing.
Yeah,
but that is for another video, guys, because the story is not going to stop. We have so much to talk about. A lot. I mean, a lot. And then you guys gonna get to know who we are and what makes us unique. What makes us us.
So yeah, in it for let's continue. I'm edit them.
Yeah, I could do that, but chewing at the same outfit, I think it confused them when with the other video them when I post after that last week. So me that thing so maybe me not bother do it that way here because we're in the same outfit. So we have to change up our outfit.
Really now?
You guys again for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for inboxing me and cracking me up. Thank you all. When this channel grow, I'm gonna have a lot of giveaways. Yep. Yep. When this channel grow, I'm gonna have a lot of giveaway. Just keep sharing, subscribe, and all that. Good things come to those who wait. Okay? Love you guys.
Not to those who wait too late.
You are something else.